Happy Friday, friends. It is Melissa with Junk and Craft Treasures on the Essential Stencil page. Again, we're going to use this. I guess I could tell you what size it is, huh? Hey, Karen, how are you, dear? So 7 1/8. The top is 5 3/4, and the bottom is right almost at 5 inches. Let's get started. Thank you for sharing, my friend. We are going to paint this entire piece white. I could have done that before the live, but y'all, you know I like to talk and create and craft with y'all at the same time. So like I said, tonight we're doing a craft project with our stencils and our transfers. Did I do both sides? Yeah, okay. Got both sides done. Which side did I just paint? I know I painted the bottom. Let's do that, because I'm not sure. And I need to paint my ears now. So I'm just going to paint both sides of these real quick. I didn't necessarily need to lay down my blue towel, but I'm going to move them while they're still wet. Okay, I got these. Got these. I'm going to get that out of the way, y'all. I'm only going to do one coat on those. All right. It's going to sound worse, but it'll be okay. Cutie right down here. And then I'm going to take the Cottontail Company up right in the middle, so I know that all of my design is on there. And we've got our cute little bunny guys. All right, so we're going to use some brown. We're not going to need a whole lot, and I'm going to do the whole thing in brown. And I know bunnies are normally white. Just bear with me, because I'm going to show you what we're going to do with the bunny. So we're going to take our tag, and of course this is not a tag surface, but it works. So we're going to take our tag, take our brown paint, and y'all know I have to show this to you every live in case there's somebody new on. If your brush ever looks like this, guys, it has too much paint. We want to work it down those sides. So we are going to swirl, pounce, whatever we need to do to move that paint down. And then we are going to offload. Less paint is more. Trust me, you would rather go back and paint it twice than have too much paint and have to fix it. So now we've got our dry brush, and we've got that paint worked down. We've got the sides dry. Give me some hearts if y'all can see the difference there. Just going to reposition my hand here. All right. So we have our Cottontail Company, which I know it's backwards, but I think I'm good for that. All right. We're going to flip it over. We're going to do the other side real quick. Where are we at on time? We are good on time. You're good. Okay, just rub over it a little bit, and then we have that cute little bunny right there. But we're just going to kind of wing it tonight and just put the carrots on there, and then just miss the bunny, okay? All right, so taking the brush, we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to load that paint, see how wet that paint looks, see how wet that paint looks on the side. We are just going to offload that. And we're going to get it dry. And we've got our carrots are almost done, y'all. So now I'm just going to move it down. And if I want, I can line it up. I got to focus sometimes. Okay. And so then we have our cute little carrots with our bunny. Y'all, how precious is that? We're gonna do some carrots down the side. Y'all that know, let people know. Me and Orange are not friends. All right, so we've got our other carrots right here, and then our carrots right here, y'all. So cute. Okay, move that. Move the orange paint. Move the orange paint and the cloth. Okay, now we're gonna add all of our other fun stuff. I went ahead and shredded my ribbon and stuff before the live, just so y'all don't have to see me shred my fabric, even though it's so satisfying to shred fabric. Okay, I think we got them. We are gonna do a messy bow, y'all. We could do a super cute, like, lay down bow, but I think we're just gonna do a messy bow. It's gonna be easier since we're doing both. Okay, guys. Got one side a little bit bigger. And trust me, it's easier to fix those sides before you try to fix it afterwards. Oh. Blame it on the orange paint. Can I? Can I blame it on the orange paint? All right, let me flip this over. All right, now let's fix this bow. Hang on, I gotta get my buttons. All right. I need to put my ears on too, y'all. Haven't done that yet. Oh, that's gonna be cute. Okay, let me get my ears in. Let's put some stick fast down that hole. Okay, so we got this side with our little bunny ears, and then we got this side with our little bunny ears. And now I'm gonna add our bows and our greenery. I'm gonna grab a little greenery. I need more than that, y'all. Y'all, this is looking like a hot mess, but I promise it'll be cute. Okay, let's get our, I know y'all can't see me right now, but I've already glued my ears on so I can see what I'm doing. So I gotta kind of see what I'm doing here too. So I promise I'll show you. I promise I'll kind of put it like that so you can see one side while we're working on the other side. Gotta be patient and let the glue dry, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but patience is not my forte sometimes. This one's gonna be a little bit shorter on this side because I want to see my cottontail farms. So, like I said, we gotta improvise. I am using pinking shears. It kind of leaves like a little design on my ribbon and my fabric on the ends. Y'all, this is cute. Okay, I gotta see my bunny in the middle. So I'm just cutting away. Let's see. Looking for a little button. And I may not even have to glue it down on the live. We'll see, y'all. I don't want that right there. Okay, guys. How cute. What do y'all think? And then here is our other side with our cottontail farms. Or cottontail can't talk, y'all. I'm tired. Cottontail Co. And then, y'all know me, I will probably go in and just add a little bit of dark wax around this. But I hope y'all enjoyed this project tonight. Some of my grass just fell out. I know I need to stick it in there. I know I need to glue it, but I gotta get it just right. All right, guys. Y'all be blessed. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see y'all soon. Bye, guys.